guys, thank you for coming with me to TJ Maxx. Let's check out their bags, guys. You know how excited I get. Okay, so this is a Steve Madden bag. Look at it. Guys, let's see how much this is. It's a pretty nice size bag. Look at it. And it comes with a little tie. That's $34.99 for that one. Then this one over here is a Tahari. Look how pretty that is. It looks like a little tote. It feels like a tote. This one is $24. Let me see what else is back here. Okay, so then they have this one here. Feels like a little tote too. Bagolini. I hope I said that right, guys. I don't see. Okay, that one's $24.99. Then you have this one down here. This one says vegan approved. I don't know who makes this, but it's $24.99. Isabel. Okay, so then we have this one, Fossil, and this one is $20 for that one. And then this one over here, oh, this is a Kate Spade. This one's really nice, guys. Okay, let's see. That one was reduced to $72. So then this one here, it's another vegan approved bag. You know, these vegan bags are really, look how huge they are, guys. So this one is $29 in there. Who makes this one? I'm not sure about that one. Oh, that's a Kate. Is that a Kate Spade? No, I'm sorry. Got excited there. LA Terry Fashion, $24.99, and that's this bag right here. So then if we come over here, guys, look at this. Let's see. Davina Forenzi. That one is, let me turn that around, guys. Okay, look how pretty that is, guys. It's really cute, but it's too small for me. $49.99. So then they have this one here, Bagolani. That's $29. And then they have this other Steve Madden bag here, guys. Let me see. That's $34.99. That's what that looks like. And they have this one here. That's a DK New York, and that was reduced to $48. That one. And look at this one. Isn't that cute? That is so adorable, guys. Collection 18. That's $20. And here, let me see if I can give you a better view. That's the other one. That's there. So then this one down here, guys. Oh, look at this. Is a BB backpack. That one is really nice. That one was reduced to $24. Okay, and let me see. Okay, so this one back here, guys. That one. Let me see if I can get to the tag, guys. $18 for that bag. Then you have this Michael Kors bag right here. Isn't that pretty? Okay, that one there is $89.99. I don't know, guys. Like, that's on the small side for me. Okay, so, and then here's another Steve Madden bag, guys, and that one was reduced to $24. Look at this Michael Kors bag over here. I like that. That's cute. $69.99. And there's another Isabel bag for $34. That's the vegan one. And then look at this. This is so cute. This bag here. This one, I think I showed you this one in the beige. $20. Guys, I get so excited. I just can't seem to calm down. Tutilio, that's $24.99. Let's see what else they have, guys. So then they have this bag over here. Look at this. That's Elliot Luca. And that one is $40, guys. And you have this one. Oh, here's another one of those vegan bags, guys. I showed you these before, guys. Look at this. Aren't these gorgeous? Okay, so these bags are $24.99. I know I can't get to each and every bag, guys, but I'm trying to get to each name. At least you can see one or two. What is this one here? This is $19.99 for that one. And then I'm liking these bags. Aren't they cute, guys? That one is $24.99. I think they're so cute, Madison West. And then look at this one. So this one is $24.99. So then you have this bag right here for $19.99. Then this Calvin Klein like tote like bag, that one is $29.99. Okay, let's see what other bags. So then I'm just gonna scan that wall for you right here so we can go on the other side. Okay, I think we have, let's see. Oh, look at this Calvin Klein bag. Guys, I think I saw somebody on video catch this somewhere else. $59.99, guys. Beautiful bags. Then this one over here, $29.99. Who makes this? Is this Isabel? Yeah, that's Isabel. So then you have this one. This is Tommy. That's $27.99. And then you have that one right there. That's Lynette Lepore, $24.99. And who makes that one back there? I can't reach that one, guys. Then this one here is a Calvin Klein. I'm sorry, an Anne Klein, $34.99. That's a pretty big bag. Okay, so let's see what's behind me. Oh, look at this one, Kate Spade. That's so cute, but it's so small, $89.99. That's nice. Then you have another backpack over here, Anne Klein, and that one is $24.99. It's like a little tote kind. And here's another Lynette Lepore, $29.99, guys. Let's see if we can find another color. So then we have this bag here. Who makes this? It's $29.99. And I'm not sure. And this one here, I think I showed you this bag before. I don't know what the price is. Let's see. $29.99. Isn't that a beautiful color, guys? And this down here looks like cork. Then you have this bag down here. And this one is, it's made in Italy. I don't know. I don't see the TJ Maxx tag. Oh, here it is. $104. Isn't that beautiful? That yellow. So, look at this one. This is made in Holland. This is $69.99, guys. The quality of this bag is absolutely gorgeous. Look at the size of this tote right here. Let me see who makes that. Oh my goodness. $24.99. Guys, that bag is gorgeous. And look at this one. I'm loving the detail. You know how I am about detail. Look at that. So then this one here is $89.99. Patricia Nash. Look at that. Gorgeous. And you have this one. Let me see. This one is $24.99. And that one is Park Avenue. Let's see. Look at this one. Anne Klein. That's a beautiful bag, guys. Look at it. So this one, guys, is $29.99. Okay, then you have this. And look at this bag. Okay, I like that size bag, guys. Isn't that beautiful? But I like it in the black. This is a beautiful bag. So that's $34.99. And then here's a Steve Madden bag, guys. This one is $29.99. And here's another one of those bags. These are really nice. Here's Marc Jacobs. That's $149.99, guys. Another vegan approved bag. This one here, guys, is $24.99. Look how beautiful that one is. Let me see who makes this one. Okay, that's just Malibu Sky. And that one is $34.99. So it comes, yeah, they have two of those together. Those are really pretty, guys. I'm loving those handles. And then this bag here is $29.99. Look how pretty that is, the detail. And this bag over here, guys, this one here is WD New York. $29.99 for that bag. Okay. Oh, look, this one comes with a little one. Isn't that adorable? So this is $24.99 for that bag. And then you have this one. I think this is MK. Yeah, it's not pretty, guys. So this one here, guys, is $79.99. And look at this Michael Kors. So this one was reduced to $120. Then the one in the back over here, I don't know, let me see. That one is reduced, guys, to $90. Very pretty. Look at this one. This is really pretty too, and I'm loving that one. This one back here, isn't that adorable? To go out, $24.99. Doesn't fit very much though. So you have this done, London, $28, and that's what that looks like, guys. Then you have this Aldo bag over here, $29 for that bag. And then this one, guys, is $22.99. Then you have this one here. Look at this. I'm a DC. That one is $104. Then you have this one here. Look at that color green, guys. That one is $46. Very, very pretty. And what is this? With the tassel. That's Michael Kors. Look at this cute little bag. So this one, that cute little bag there, guys, is $79.99. This for this little bag. Look how small that is. Then you have this one here. And this one is $32. That's Cole Haan. This is Ralph Lauren, guys, $39.99. Beautiful bag. You know I'm loving that style. And then look at this one. Isn't this adorable? Guys, look at this bag. That is so cute. Let's see. That one is $24.99. The bag is heavy, but look at the rhinestones. Wow. I love that. I don't even know where to put it, guys. Okay. Then you have, so anyway, I love this bag too. That one is really pretty, guys, to go out. Then this one is $39.99, and then this one over here, and Klein, is $19.99. So some great prices, guys. And look at this one in this color. So that one is $29.99, and then if you look at this one, there's Michael Kors. That one is $88. We're missing, guys. Let's see, $20 for this bag. Let me see who makes this bag. There's the tag. This one is Enzo Angiolani. Okay, and then this bag here, look at this one. This one is $32. It's so huge, and I'm loving the leather, guys. And look, that's Lynette Lepore. I just showed you that bag. That one is $72. So let's see. So that's what these look like, guys. Look at this Michael Kors bag over here for $119.99. And then here's another one of those. There's one in the back over there. See it? And here's another cute little one, guys, right here for $80. That's so pretty. So, guys, I'm right next to these belts. Look at this. This is Michael Kors. This belt right here for $16.99. Isn't that nice? Then you have this Calvin Klein one for $12.99. These belts are so cute. Look at these. This Fanny Pack here, it's $19.99, guys. So these the three pack of the 3-in-1 is $12.99. Then you have these wallets, guys. Aren't they adorable? So this is Steve Madden. This one is $14.99. This is a Michael Kors. This one is $29.99. Then you have some smaller ones over here, guys. There's just so many places to look. I don't know which way do I go. All right, guys, let's see. So then this is Nautica, right? These phone bags. And then this one is Anne Klein. So that Anne Klein wallet is wristlet is $14.99, guys. I'm liking this one. That's cute. So then you have some more belts over here, guys. Vince Camuto. Look how pretty that is. So this one is $7.99. So this is Vince Camuto also, and that color is $7.99. Then you have this belt right here. I'm loving this belt. So this is $14.99. That's also Vince Camuto. Very nice, guys. Thank you for coming with me to TJ Maxx to check out their bags and their accessories, and I'll see you guys in another video.